My Faceless motivation channel on YouTube just hit 600,000 views and it netted me over $12,000 with no followers, no experience, and being a brand new channel. So I am going to show you guys how to start your own Faceless YouTube motivational channel, and I am going to show you guys how to retire. Right now, you guys, I am literally off the coast of Jamaica, and you guys, you can see the sunrise. I wanted you guys to see this to let you know that this is possible. You can do this. You can start that channel and you can really start making money off of your channel. And I'm here in this video to show you exactly how you're going to do it, because y'all, I did it and now I travel all around the world. YouTube pays for everything. YouTube literally pays for everything, you guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to create your own channel. I'm going to show you how to create that channel without any followers, without any experience, and no matter how old you are, I'm going to show you how to create those videos, because you guys, this is freedom. This is freedom, okay? You guys, I cruise all around the world simply because I started a Faceless channel. So y'all, we're going to get into the 3 steps that you are going to take to start that channel, to start making money on that channel, and to retire from that channel. Even if you don't have any experience, if you don't have any followers, and if it's a new channel, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to get that channel up and move it, okay? So let's get right to the video, you guys. I'm not going to waste a lot of time. I just want you guys to learn how to do this. And before I do, you guys, I'm going to put a full link to my full course, my full program. That program not only includes the course, it includes everything that you see here, because everything that's in my business, I gave it to y'all so it could be in your business, okay? So you guys, let's get to the video, because this is going to change your entire life. And I'm so glad to be a part of your journey. I'm so glad for all of the rich girls and guys who have taken the course and who have started making money on their channels. Y'all, I'm gonna get to the inspiration of the day. I'm just on vacation, so I don't have them. So let's get into the inspiration of the day. And the inspiration of the day, guys, is nothing is impossible with God. Nothing is impossible with God. And the next thing that we're gonna do the shout outs of the day. You guys, we have Earl. Earl started my program about 2 to 3 weeks ago. He has already made his first $1,000 in the past 3 weeks. So Earl, I want to tell you, keep on going, keep doing what you're doing, and I'm so proud of you. And for everybody else who wanted to start their own channels, y'all, if you want to start your own channel, all you have to do is click the link in the bio. Get the program, okay? Get my full course. Y'all, the course is going to teach you step by step how to put up these channels. It also has everything that you see in this video from your digital products. And did I tell you guys, I created your content. So the content, the Faceless content that you're going to put on YouTube and TikTok is already created for you guys. I'm going to show you how to actually put it all together. And I'm so excited to show you guys this. I am super excited. So you guys, let's get right to the video right now. And let me tell y'all something, I forgot. It includes my mentorship, you guys. It includes my mentorship. So any questions that you have, they will be answered every single Sunday, y'all. Every single Sunday, I don't care where in the world I am, I'm doing a mentorship meeting, okay? So like I said before, you guys, let's get to the video. Like, share, subscribe. This video is going to change your life. So let's go. So in this video, I am going to show you the one channel and the one product that took my life and just sent it to the moon. And I know that this can do it for yours as well. And let me tell you something. So you guys, all over social media, people are telling you, oh, you need to start this channel, you need to start that channel, you need to start this, you need to start that. The channel that I'm telling you guys is a proven channel. In fact, not only am I going to give you the channel, but I'm going to give you a bonus channel as well. You guys, y'all have to get out of God's way and allow God to help you, okay? Get out of his way and allow him to help you, because you guys, these channels have literally changed my life. And I'm going to show, I love sharing this with all of my all of my rich girls and guys. I love sharing this information with all of us because I really feel like, and I'm gonna be honest with you, they are literally trying to make sure that we don't have any money, that we are broke, that we are begging. You guys, this is the surefire way that you are literally going to be able to make your own money no matter where you are. No matter what you do, you guys, you're going to be able to make your own money. You're going to be able to make your own time schedule, you guys. You're going to be able to have true freedom because, you guys, like I said, I let my channels do my work for me. I'm never working because these channels are doing all of the work. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So you guys, in the course, this is in the course, you guys. This is like your foundation, okay? This is your foundation to your channel. Every time you start a channel, you should be trying to figure out what digital product you're going to put to the channel, okay? Because it's one thing just to have a channel and it's going well, but it's another thing to not only monetize the channel, but have extra income coming off the channel. And that is exactly what I did. Because you guys, I knew that, listen, the money from the views are nice. Don't get me wrong, they are very nice. The money for the views are nice, but the money that comes from the digital products are better, okay? And like I said, you have a steady stream of income, predictable income, you guys, because every time you're putting a video out, you're going to get somebody who buys your product. And you guys, right here in the course, you have over 800 faceless reels. So your content is already pre-done for you guys. Listen, when I tell y'all I built y'all a business in a box, I built a business in a box. So your content is already done for you guys. And if we come down here, you guys, your planners to your channel, the ones that you're going to link to the channel, are already done for you. So everything that you need to get started is in that course. You can get started even if you are a beginner. It is only literally going to take literally 1 day for you guys to get started, get your channel up, get your products up. And then, you guys, I know a lot of you guys are talking about, but we're not monetized. We're not monetized. In our community, we have a grow group where all you have to do is put your new channel name. We follow each other so that we can get monetized quickly, you guys. And that's the whole purpose of this, okay? Is to not only start the channel, but start making money off the channel immediately, okay? So what we're going to do, you guys, I'm going to show you the one digital product that took me there, okay? And I mean, this is amazing. And I cannot say, y'all, I cannot tell you guys how blessed I was to have started that channel. And that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Because believe in yourself, believing that you can start this channel, believe that you can make it, and you guys just start, so that your life is able to change. Okay, so let's go over here, you guys. We are going to go right here to the bundle. We're gonna go right here, you guys. So in January of 2024, I started a budgeting channel. You guys, all I do is guide people along while I budget, and then I put my digital product, which is, you guys, this budget planner. There are a couple of budget planners on here, but you guys, this budget tracker planner, I put my budgeting tracker planner so that everybody who is on my channel can actually go along with me while we're doing a budget, okay? And the reason why I made these planners like that, you guys, is because when they're on your channel, you guys, they want to follow along with you. Give them a digital product to let them follow along with you, especially while you're budgeting, you guys. Especially while you're, like I said, motivating people. Especially while you're doing a resume, you guys. Let them follow along with you with your product. Y'all, I sell this on my channel for $50 a pop. And I made on that one channel alone last month, I made over $100,000 on that channel. So please don't tell me that it does not work. That channel literally set me free. And that's why I want to share with you guys how to set yourself free as well. Just with these little $50, $60 digital products, you guys. And some of my girls are selling these for $100, $125. And you guys, they are purchasing these products from them. And that's why I'm telling you guys, just start the channel. And this is 100% faceless. 100%. So you guys, let's get into it. Let's go right now, you guys. All right. So you guys, this is the budget tracker planner. And I'm going to show you how easy it is just to brand this to your channel. And you guys, you do not have to show your face at all. When I tell you guys, this is the easiest money that you have made in your entire life. This is the easiest money that you're going to make in your life, because you guys, I post the faceless content that is in the course. There's over 3,000 pieces of faceless content within that course. I post those faceless reels in my course, you guys. I do not show my face at all. Nothing like that, you guys. And literally, I just sit and watch the money come in. I love it. All right, you guys. So we're going to go right here. And you guys, this is how you're going to rebrand this to your brand. Okay. So all you have to do is we're going to go to design. We are going to go to ebook covers. And y'all, when I tell you guys that this is literally like the cheat code to life, this is literally like the cheat code to life. All right, so we're going to go to ebook planners, you guys. And all you have to do is find an ebook cover that has a picture inlet. So that's it. And like I said before, you guys, since we're doing it 100% faceless, if you do not want to show your face and you want to do it 100% faceless, go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to create for you a logo for your business, and baby, that's how we're going to do it. That's exactly how we're going to do it. So you guys, this one has a really nice ebook cover. I don't like the brown too much, so I'm going to go to replace this current page. I really don't like the brown as much, but you guys, I do. Let's see if we can change that brown cover to something that is more myself. I am going to go to this light lavender cover. And then you guys, you can even, like I said, you can even, if you want to be 100% completely faceless while you do this, all you have to do is literally take this and put in, hold on, I'm going to show you really quickly right now, you guys, because it's really simple. So all you have to do, you guys, is go ahead, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture. If you want to be completely faceless, put in your logo. But if you want to show your face on your channel, all you have to do is go to uploads. You're going to put a picture into the upload images. And then you guys, all we're going to do is take one of those pictures that you have. And it does not have to be a fancy photo, you guys. It does not have to be a fancy photo. All you need to do is have a photo, a logo, or whatever you want to put in there, and you're ready to go. And boom, you have your first product to sell on your channel. You guys, do it. Do it, because the blessings that come with having your own income, the blessings that come with you not having to go clock into somebody's job is amazing, okay? So all you're going to do is click share. You are going to go to template link. And you guys, you're going to put this template link into your Stand Store, into your Beacons, into your Leap accounts. And you guys, in the course, I show you exactly step by step how to do this, but it's super simple, super duper easy. You don't need to do anything else. You got your first product, and you guys, let me show you how you guys are going to go ahead and start the channel. This is how you're actually going to start the channel. Look at I want you to go back up here, you guys, and I want you to go to your faceless videos. You guys, use these faceless videos. All you have to do is put a budgeting tip on top of these faceless videos, and boom, you got it right then and there, you guys. That's really how super simple and super easy this is. So you guys, hurry up and join. I'm going to put the link below to my course, to my class, you guys, and that's because I really want you guys to join. I really want you guys to be able to live your best life, okay? The life that we're living, we are just surviving, and I'm tired of it, you guys. Let's make this money and let's go about our business. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. I love you guys.